Hello, and welcome to Learn English Naturally. This channel helps you practice English listening and speaking in a slow, calm, and natural way. If you are learning English and want to feel more confident, you're in the right place. Here, English is simple, relaxed, and easy to follow. Today, we are practicing slow English for everyday communication. This kind of practice helps your ears, your pronunciation, and your confidence. You do not need to hurry. You can learn English step by step. Let us begin with very common English words. These words are used every day. They are simple, but very important. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Please. Excuse me. Sorry. These words help you sound polite and friendly. They make conversations feel natural. Now let us move to short everyday phrases. These phrases are easy and useful. How are you? I am fine. I'm doing well. Nice to meet you. See you later. Have a good day. Take care. These phrases help you start and end conversations. They are used at home, at work, and with friends. Now let us practice simple sentences about yourself. My name is Linda. I am learning English. I like listening to English. I practice English every day. I want to speak English clearly. I want to feel confident when I speak. These sentences help you talk about yourself. They are very common in daily life. Now let us talk about daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. I drink water and get ready. I eat breakfast at home. I go to work or study. I listen to English during the day. I relax in the evening. Daily routine sentences help you speak naturally. They help you explain your day easily. Now let us practice sentences about feelings. I feel happy today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel confident when I practice English. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I keep learning every day. Feelings are important in conversations. They help people understand you better. Now let us practice sentences about learning English. Learning English takes time. I learn English slowly and patiently. Mistakes help me learn better. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Every day my English improves. This mindset is very important. Confidence grows when you stay calm. Now let us move to longer sentences. I listen to English podcasts to improve my listening skills. I speak English slowly to improve my pronunciation. I enjoy learning English in a relaxed way. I want to understand English without translating. Longer sentences help you build fluency. They train your mind to think in English. Now let us practice a simple conversation. Hello, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. How is your day going? My day is going well. What are you doing today? I am practicing my English. This kind of conversation is very common. You can use it in many situations. Now let us practice another short conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you feeling today? I feel good and relaxed. That is nice to hear. Short conversations build real confidence. Remember, English becomes easier when you listen often. Your brain learns sounds and patterns naturally. You do not need to force fluency. Fluency grows slowly and quietly. When you practice every day, even for a short time, you improve. Small steps create big progress. Comfort comes before confidence. Over time, English feels more familiar. Words come to your mind more easily. Your voice feels calmer. Your pronunciation feels clearer. This practice is helpful for beginners and intermediate learners. It helps you feel safe with English. Thank you for spending this time with Learn English Naturally. Thank you for choosing to practice English today. Your effort is important. Every minute you spend listening helps you improve. You are always welcome to return and practice again. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Stay patient. Stay consistent. And enjoy the process. I look forward to practicing with you again.